Good morning children. Welcome to your maths online class. In today's class, we will discuss about solid shapes. As you have drawn solid shapes, you know what are solid shapes? That are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. These are all solid shapes. Today we will discuss how many faces are there in particular shape, how many vertex are there, how many edges are there. You must be knowing what are face. Face, this you know, this is face. In that way, I am taking a cube and now we will count how many faces are there in cube. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. 6 faces are there in cube. That you have to mention in page number 140. In a cube, you have 6 faces. 6 faces. Now edges. Edges are, you can see this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lines. And 12 lines we have counted, and that is edges, 12 edges. Now vertex. Vertex is singular in form and vertices are plural in form. Corner. In local word we can say corner. Where two lines meet, that is corner or vertex, or when we are using in plural form, it is vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there in a cube. Okay, is it clear? Now take an example of cuboid. In cuboid also 6 faces are there, 12 edges are there and 8 vertices are there. Let's count. First of all, face. Face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let's draw first. Then we will write. This is cuboid. This is cube. This is cuboid. Okay. 6 faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are there. And vertices, corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. Okay? Hope you understood? You can also do it by your own. Take a cube type of box and count it. How many corners are there? How many edges are there? How many faces are there? Corners means vertex. Now come to another shape is cylinder. Imagine a drum. Okay. Now I am taking here one bottle. Let's count the face. 1, 2 and this whole is one face. So three total number of face. 1, 2 and 3. 3 faces are there. How many edges are there? Lines? 1, 2. So, 2 edges are there. Okay. Here there are no corners. No corners. When cuboid. So, 0 corners. So, 0 corners. So, 0 vertices, as there is no corners. Okay. Corners and vertex are the same thing. Cylinder in shape. You can do by your own, you can count it. Now let's come to another shape. This is cone. In cone, 2 faces are there. 1 and 2. 2 faces are there. One edge is there. One edge is there. Okay. And where 2 point lines are meeting, corner, one vertex is there. Okay. You can take a birthday cat and you can count by yourself. Now come to sphere shape. Sphere shape. It's like a ball. Imagine a ball. There is one face. When you will turn, it will be of one face. No corners are there, no joint lines are there. So, 0 edges and 0 vertices. This is sphere shape. Shape is there, that is prism. I don't have. This is prism, and in that 5 faces are there. 1, 2 at the back, 3 here, 4 and at the bottom 5. 5 faces are there. Edges, lines, imaginary lines are there, you have to imagine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see here 7th one, there 8th one and here 9th one. 9th edges are there, lines are there, and 6 vertices are there, corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 6. One more, it's like this only, so one more. When you will see the prism, you will get the idea. 6 vertices are there, corners are there. Okay. In this way, complete the exercise given in page number 140. Hope you understood how many faces are there, edges are there and vertices are there in particular solid shapes that you have to count and write. Okay? Thank you.